All right, this is the first test of my Trike prototype that I built 100% scratch, except the engine. I didn't build, well, yeah, I mean, you take it out the box and you start it, I guess. Yeah, add oil and gas. But everything else, I custom made, frame, chassis, everything. Only thing I didn't make is the forks. So she's a little rough, but she get the job done. And you're gonna see some things like battery tilted to the side. It's okay. Just testing purposes only. So there it is. So I'm gonna start it up and see what happens. All right, so that was the somewhat first test. I mean, I did have to take it out the unit here while I'm working on it. As you can see, it's not no it is pretty big. They have the same wheel size. The front wheel obviously is humongous. It's 24-inch. It's actually same size as my truck tires here, as in rims. It is a 301 cc Predator engine. As you can tell, the battery is kind of kicked to the side there. It does have a differential that allows me to make those tight turns. So the next thing I have to do is figure out I'm going to change the carburetor, of course, because that thing's humongous, which is carburetor's right there. Fix some of the wiring along here. Fix that. Actually, I'm gonna tuck the red brake line, down underneath the chassis. And I also have to, I'm not sure if I'm going to use that key on and off. I honestly, I actually kind of digging it, so I might end up using that and just mount it. And that's pretty much it. The handlebars, I'll probably keep those and just repaint everything. And I have to do a lot of body work on the actual frame. I just mounted the brake caliper today. Get that all going there. It's still got a little air in the line. I just tried to get it as much as possible to so I can ride it around. And that's pretty much it. That's all of her in her glory. Like I said, it's not that much smaller than my smart car there. And actually, this is 300 cc's. That is, I think, about the same. It might be a little bit more. I think it's like 4 something or 5 something. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, that's it. So the next time you see it, I'm hoping that I will be able to get the bodywork done and paint it. And I will paint it a color. I think I painted once before. I'm not sure. But you guys see. See you later.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes... Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go.